Would you agree that if you can reach 10,000 of your target audience instead of a 1,000, you would most likely increase your incoming calls and appointments? Let me share with you how you can use the most effective form of no-cost advertising known to man without you spending one single dime on advertising.
When is the best time for a business to be found online?
When there is a red-hot buyer ready to buy with money in hand. Red-hot buyers equals more revenue. Who is a red-hot buyer? A red-hot buyer is someone who is looking for exactly what your roofing company has to offer, with money in hand, ready to request your services, and wants it now. How do you know they're red-hot? They are looking online for what you have to offer them right now. What happens when you show up magically at the exact moment with the exact thing that they are looking for? Cha-ching is what happens. When someone searches for your service and your roofing company shows up 1. On top, 2. As one of the top 3, and 3. You don't have to pay for advertising to do so. So remember 3 things. You show up the exact moment someone is looking. You show up on top. And you don't pay for advertising. Businesses would kill for this. Most business owners think this is pretty wonderful, especially when they see what this can do for them. We will look at the secret strategies in a second. Would you like to know more?